Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to install the Python 3.5. Alright, let's start. First we need the installer, the Python installer. Then let's click open, and then wait. Alright, let's zoom in for about like that. Hey, this is the how to install the Python 3.5 for 64-bit. Also, this installation method also work for the Python 3.5 for third on never mind. Right. Then click add Python 3.5 to path, then click install now. Well, this is just easy to install this program. That was the magnifier. Okay. Well, this is just how to install Python program. Then please subscribe to my channel since I'm going to teach you other Python tutorials just to my other videos. So stay in touch. Thank you for liking. Also, thank you for liking this video if you like, and well, it's at the best if you like my video. Well, as you can see, it's almost finished now. Uh, but I'm sorry for my grammar since I'm not so good in English. Well, as you can see, the setup was successful, and now you're ready to use the Python program.